Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into Top 11, you're going to want to stick around till the end because today I've got something really exciting to share with you. Check this out. I'm using the latest Top 11 mod, and it works on both Android and iOS. All you need to do is tap this gear icon right here, and boom, the mod menu opens up. Now, the main feature we're looking at today is unlimited tokens. Yep, you heard that right. You can max out your tokens, which will give you a huge advantage in the game. In addition to that, there are also some cool extra features you can use to tweak your game however you want. You can access all of this from the mod menu, and it's super easy to use. Now, if you want to get this mod yourself, it's super simple. Just open any browser on your Android or iOS device. For this video, I'm using Safari, but you can use whatever browser you prefer. Once you're in your browser, go to ogappbox.com. You can use the search function or scroll down to find the top 11 mod. Once you've found it, just click on it and follow the instructions for installation. It's really easy, and if you run into any issues, extra help is on the site. That's it for today. If this mod works for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. See you in the next one.